Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make glow effects in Photopea. Photopea is the free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I start using Photopea. After starting Photopea, we can go to New Project. To create a new project, I go to Use, YouTube thumbnail, and then I want to show the glow effects. Obviously, I switch white background to black, and then click Create. Next, I press Ctrl+0 to view fit, and then I go to my file folder. I have a Photopea logo in PNG file format. I drag and drop this image into Photopea to import this image as a new layer. And then I want to scale down it. I press Alt to scale down in proportional, and then press Enter to apply it. Next, if we want to make glow effect, we can go to Layers and double-click the layer, and then we can show layer style. And then we can find outer glow here. Check the box to activate it, and then we can select outer glow to show the outer glow setting. Next, we can keep the blend mode in screen, and then we can change the color. And I want to pick the green color and press OK to apply it. Next, we can change the size. I increase it, and then we can change the spread. And also we can change the technique from softer to precise. This is how we can make outer glow. We can also make the inner glow, activate it, and select the inner glow, and we can change the color to green again, and then we can change the size and change the spread. If we're happy with this, we can go to press OK to apply it. So this is how we can make glow effects in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video.